In an examination in which full marks were 800, A gets 20% more than B, B gets 20% more than C, C gets A 15% less than D. And if A got 576, what percent of full marks did D get? Right? मान लेते हैं कि you might have studied the concept of multiplying factor. I am assuming that. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video. So marks obtained by D, I'm assuming as X, right? So this is what D is getting. D is getting X. And then the problem says, why am I taking D? Because wherever the comparison begins, that value should be taken as 100. अब इस पूरे का पूरे सिस्टम पे देखोगे तो C is getting compared with D, B is getting compared with C, A is getting compared with B, but D की कहीं से कंपैरिजन हुई नहीं, तो D को ही मैंने X को उठाया, यही है. And C gets 15% less. So if C is getting 15% less, C is getting 85% of D. So 85% of D का मतलब कितना हो? 85 divided by 100, that is a multiplying factor. So this is how much over here C is getting. Now see this. Now further the problem says that B gets 20% more than C. 20% more than C, 100 plus 20, 120%. So 120% को क्या लिखेंगे हम? 120 by 100. And this much B is getting, right? And then A gets 20% more than B. If A is getting 20% more than B, again it is 120%. 120% is 100 upon 120 by 100, and that is nothing but how much A is getting. And the marks obtained by A is given to you, which is 576 as per the problem, isn't it? So that is 576. All right. What else do we need to do? So over here, this is 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 17 by 20 into X is equal to 576. So the value of X that we need to find out is, please have a look at it. 6 into 6, 36. And this 6 is what? 6, 9, that is 96, and then this is 16, right? So 6 and 6 are gone. So the value of X is 20 into 5 into 5 into 16, and then this is 70. That is what is X. Now what is the problem? The full marks are 800, and what percent of full marks D got? Please have a look at it over here. If the full marks are 800, how much D got? This is what is the percentage, isn't it? And if you look at it, 2 zeros are gone, so the percentage will be nothing but D by 8. So what I'm going to do, if I want to find out the percentage marks that D obtained, यहाँ पे 8 से divide कर देंगे, ये वाला 2 हो जाएगा. So 5 2s are 10, 10 into 50, this value will be 1000 upon 17. 1000 upon 17, 17 into 5 is 85, 85, 150. 150 लास्ट वाला प्रॉब्लम जैसा किया था, ये 58 के आसपास में जाएगा. And what is the right answer over here? Option number C is the right answer. So what is very good thing about this problem? This is what you need to do. Once you have understood this thing, probably percentage का काम तो हो गया. अब उसके बाद जितनी जल्दी आप कैलकुलेशन करोगे, आपका काम उतना जल्दी होगा, right?